this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines, and today I just thought I'd talk about um, some strategies I have for dealing with difficult problems. And one of the things that I deal with in a repair shop is encountering problems that I don't know how to fix. And a lot of times I'll have a deadline that I told the customer by which I'd have the machine done. And towards the end of the repair, something unexpected comes up, and I'm afraid I'm not going to meet my deadline because of this unexpected thing that I don't know how to fix. And sometimes maybe the steam. It's happened with this machine before. The steam is leaking, and I can't figure out why it's leaking. It just keeps leaking, or it has too much water coming out and not enough steam. And just trying to find a solution. So one thing I like to do is I notice that I start to disconnect, right? My mind starts to as I get deeper and deeper and more frustrated with the problem, my mind starts to float. And I feel kind of numb in my head sometimes and really frustrated, and sometimes I'll get hot and my breathing will get shallow. And I've noticed that I'm kind of disconnecting with my body. And so a strategy to work with this is to reconnect with my body. And so I thought I would guide you with a little meditation practice that I like to use to reconnect with my body. And so I'm going to invite you to take some deep breaths with me. Not everybody likes to use their breath as a place to center, kind of a fixed point to move your mind. There's so many things going on in the world, and it can be really helpful to find a fixed point of focus, like the breath. And if the breath doesn't work for you, I invite you to notice your weight. Or being a sense of being grounded. So where your feet touch the floor or your butt touches the seat, these sorts of things. So first you can get grounded and just notice how your weight pushes your feet into the floor, or if you're sitting down, also how your bottom is pushing into your seat. And then we'll go into breath, and I just invite you to take a deep breath with me. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. You'll notice that I put my hand on my chest. It's just to help me get in touch with my heart, and also maybe notice my chest expanding and contracting as I'm breathing. You can kind of, if you're feeling really stressed, you can kind of let out a sigh. So you can take a deep breath and let out a sigh. It can feel really uncomfortable or embarrassing, but just let it out. Do it in a place where no one's around, so you won't be bothered to let out a deep sigh. Just go. Just let it go, and you'll be amazed at how good it can feel in your body. So going back in touch with the breath. And the point of this is not really to calm down. A lot of times people talk about the point of meditation is to calm down, but it's really to reconnect with your body. I told you about symptoms that I was having that was causing me to disconnect from my body. And so what I'm really trying to do is reconnect and notice the parts of my body. Feet on the floor, hand on my chest, breathing in and out. It can be helpful to close your eyes so the things around you aren't distracting you so much. Just letting go. letting go of whatever problems you've had today. I'm just practicing letting go of this problem here, the espresso machine. And if you don't let go, that's fine too. Maybe just notice where you feel the problem in your body. When you think about the problem, when I think about the problem, I often have a pain in my shoulder. Maybe you notice a pain in your body somewhere as you think about the problem or problems. Just bringing loving attention to that sore spot. Caring for it. Recognizing that it's there. Breathing into it a little bit more. And then as we come to the end, just sending some love out to yourself and to the world. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. So I hope your day is going a little bit. I hope you are able to feel a little bit more refreshed with problems that you're struggling with. I know I feel ready to freshly approach this problem with this machine. And may you be well.